Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a DIY body lava. So I'm pretty sure everyone knows or has heard about the new body lava and powder puff by Fenty Beauty. Fenty came out with shimmery body products, one of them being a body lava, which is a liquid illuminizer for your body, which is just an oil with shimmery flakes in it, and there's two different shades, and a powder puff, which is like a giant powder ball filled with glitter or an illuminating powder. As soon as I saw her announce these on Instagram, I was geeked. I'm like, yes, I am ready to glow. You guys know I'm obsessed with highlighter. Like, I would literally bathe in it if I had the choice. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I am getting this. I cannot wait to be blinding people up and down the street all summer. And then I looked at the price. $60, maybe $70. It's about like $60. I'm not gonna lie, you do get a good amount of product for $60, but ain't nobody got the time or the money to spend on that when you can just make it yourself for a fraction of the price. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to learn how to make your own DIY body lava, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you get a little alert whenever I post, and like this video if you guys want to see some more DIYs from me. And yeah, let's get right into it. So to make your own body lava, there are three things you're gonna need. One is baby oil. Two is a highlighter that you wanna put in, so whatever shade illuminizer that you want. I'm gonna be taking Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty because she is just so gold, so beautiful, so reflective. I don't really use this too much as a highlighter on my face, but I feel like for the body it would be perfect. And the last thing you're gonna need is some type of little container to put your body lava in. So this is gonna be a super easy DIY, you guys. So we're just going to put our baby oil into our container. And we want enough to, like, you know, cover our whole body for the summer. I just feel like the idea of this is so nice for when you're going to pool parties, just out. Alright, so that should be good. This part is gonna literally hurt my heart, but we are going to take whatever highlighter you chose, and I'm gonna just take my tweezers. We're gonna scrape off a few layers and add it into our new baby oil container. So I'm just gonna put it onto the back of these lashes. Oh my god. I'm just gonna start scraping, you guys. In the arms of the angel. Oh my god, ew, this is like so unnatural. I'm so sorry. You want a good amount to compensate for the amount of oil that we used. Alright, so this is my little pile thus far. I'm gonna smush it a little bit more just so it's really refined powder, because we don't want to put it on. Let me just not talk while this is so close. Because we don't want it to be too big of chunks so that whenever you put it on your body and you're rubbing it out, it's like too much concentrated highlighter. You really want it to be finely spread out and finely milled powder. Once we have it to our liking, we can bring it to the corner, and then we're gonna add it into our baby oil mixture. So this is what it looks like as it's falling in. And for now, let's just test it out to make sure it's good. So we're gonna put the cap back on, start shaking it up. And this is what we're left with as of now. Moment of truth, let's test this out. So round one, it's there, but it's definitely light. We need a lot more highlighter, so I'm going to do that and be right back. All right, so I just went ahead and added some more highlighter. And as you can see now, it's really, really gold. And I feel like this body oil trick is good too, because you know when you don't have tanning oil, how we used to just use baby oil. So you can do this and still tan. Alright, so you can definitely see the little gold reflex in my skin. I don't know if you can tell because of my lighting, but in person I can tell. I just really do not like the way all this oil feels on me. And that's a lot of the complaints that I've been seeing about the Fenty Beauty one, is it just doesn't dry. So I feel like the same thing would happen with this baby oil method. It's probably not gonna dry, but I wouldn't say this is a failed mission. You can see, you know what, let's go outside. We're gonna test this outside. Okay, you guys, so I am out in the sun in my balcony, and I can definitely tell there's literally glitter all over me. I look like rotisserie chicken, but it's fine because it's cute. And I don't know if you guys can see all the little flecks on me. Can you see the flecks? But yeah, this is what we're looking like. So I personally think I'm gonna give this an A. I will definitely be bringing this with me when I go to any beach parties, pool parties, because I'll be able to tan, and I can definitely see these gold flecks on me, which I like. So I'm gonna call this DIY a success. And yeah, back inside because it's so hot out here. Alright, you guys, and there you have it, your very own DIY body lava. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys try out this DIY, please tag me and let me know. I want to see if you guys think it worked. What did you put inside of your mixture? How did it look at the end? Let me know. I'm super curious to find out. And I'm really happy with this. I would say this DIY was successful, and this looks so pretty just sitting there. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay plugged in with me. Turn on the post notification bell to stay alerted for when I post, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.